a lot more fast-paced than in the competition back home in Illinois. And you have to be alert and focused at all times. And you have to know what's around you at all times. Yeah, it's very high. It's the highest level I've played all my life. Well, in the American teams, they try to keep the ball, but it's not as fast-paced as the Mexicans play. And the Germans, they play more direct, so you have to be alert at all times. And it's just completely different styles of plays, and you have to just get along with it. I have to keep on working, and if I work and I believe, then I can do it.